What's up, everybody? It's you boy KB back for my new vlog channel, and good morning to the KB vloggers and friends. I hope you guys did sleep very good. KB sleep pretty okay, and I know you will say, KB, where are you? I am at my grandma's house. Yep, because I am helping my grandma out with house and everything, a lot of things. So yeah, and today is a hangout day or something about that. But before we get into that, if you're new from my channel, you can subscribe if you're new and hit the like button and 40 KB on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram right now. If you're new, subscribe right now. I don't like when you guys unsubscribe to my channel. Please stop. What are you doing? Just stop. Just subscribe again, please. So, and you are saying, KB, what happened to your hair? Well, I got a haircut. You see, it's growing like here. And don't George, and don't make funny of my hair or you will get it. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding, and I will show you around. And here is my grandma dog, Polly. She loves KB. She loves KB, and she always wants to kiss in the nose. Oh my goodness. Say hello to the KB vloggers, Polly, whose name is Polly. Remember that. Polly. And she is taking a nap because she always taking a nap. That's her job. And the birds sing good morning, KB. Good morning. And meet the devil Bella, whose name is Bella, and when I always play with her and touch her, she always yell and scratch me and hit me for no reason. So I know you will call her the devil because she is the devil. Here, watch. Are you going to ha or not? She will let you trust me, guys. She is the devil. She always hits at you guys and KB and hit because she is the devil. Trust me. You don't want to mess with her. But I will kick her and hit her if she is trying to mess with the KB. Trust me. So, you don't want to mess with me, the devil cut, Bella. Yeah, I know you always remember Bella, or you will. So, she is the devil. So, yeah, guys, I did show you my grandma dog, Polly, and the devil cat, Bella. Yeah, I know you guys maybe believe in KB or you bet don't, but that's okay. And you see, I'm wearing Godzilla vs. Kong because I heard Godzilla vs. Kong, the trailer is in June, but I am so excited to see my boy Godzilla and Kong and someone, but I will not tell you guys. Maybe he will be in the trailer or in the movie. I don't know. And guys, today or last week, my grandma friend Braden over there, well, he built a new deck. You can see a new deck in the stage. Wow, it's sunny outside, and I know you guys are a fan of KB or not, but that's okay. And my Gopper is up there in the sky because I miss him so much, guys. I miss him so much. And he miss Kaden or KB wherever he watches my YouTube channel up there. Yeah, I can't wait to see him again when I am old. Old sucks, guys. Believe me, old sucks. So yeah, it's warm outside. And then you can see here, Braden over there. Well, I know he lives by Magma house. Well, he is building a little deck because we got a big deck in the backyard and little deck or a new deck in the front because I can't wait for to sit down in the sun and relax. And Bella, what are you doing? I'm watching you, Bella, the devil. Yeah, she is saying, I am doing nothing. I just wait for my mama. Shut up, KB. You shut up, the devil. Yeah, trust me. Trust me, she is the devil and she don't like KB. Not at all, because I touch her and play with her with toys and she does hit me and at KB. And I am watching the last Airbender. I love that movie. That's like I love Godzilla King of the Monsters. And that's it for my video today. I will make a other one or new video on next Monday because it's my break Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, so we will see you all on next Monday and please subscribe if you're new and hit the like button and follow KB on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram right now. Please subscribe. I don't want you guys to unsubscribe wherever you want. I just don't want a lot. I want maybe 10,000 or 2,000 subscribers from you guys if we can get it. And yeah, I can't wait for G versus the Godzilla versus Kong Trade. I just call it GVK Trade. Yeah. So see you guys on next Monday. KB out.